Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable media pause while falling asleep. You have to start by open settings, and your headphones should be connected with your phone. Then you'll find your headphones line at the top. You need to tap at this line. Now scroll down and you need to find pause media while falling asleep. To enable this mode, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. And if you don't need this mode, you can disable it by also tap one time at the slider if the slider have colorful background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!